A clogged sink is one of the most common home problems, and most cases don't require a plumber. The blockage is usually caused by grease, food particles, soap buildup, or hair stuck in the drain system. The key is to start simple and escalate only if needed. 1. Boiling water. Flush, first step. Start with the easiest method. Boil water and slowly pour it into the drain in 2-3 stages. This helps dissolve grease buildup, soap residue, light blockages. If the clog is minor, this alone may fix it. 2. Use a plunger. If water is still stuck, use a plunger. Steps. Fill sink partially with water, cover overflow hole if present, plunge firmly. 10 to 15 times. The pressure helps dislodge the blockage inside the pipe. This works well for kitchen and bathroom sinks. 3. Baking soda and vinegar method. This is a safe chemical-free solution. Process. Pour baking soda into drain, add vinegar, let it fizz for 10 to 50 minutes, flush with hot water. The reaction helps break down organic buildup. 4. Clean the sink trap, U-pipe. If blockage continues, the clog is likely deeper. Under the sink, there is a curved pipe called the trap. Steps. Place a bucket under it. Unscrew carefully, remove trap debris clean, and reattach. This is where most solid clogs collect. 5. Use a drain snake for deep blockage. If water still doesn't flow, use a drain snake or wire push gently into pipe, rotate to break blockage. This reaches deeper clogs that other methods cannot. 6. Check for grease buildup, kitchen sinks. Kitchen sinks often clog due to cooking oil fat, residue, food waste. Avoid pouring oil into the sink in the future. It solidifies inside pipes. Strategic insight. Most sink clogs are caused by gradual buildup, not sudden blockage. They fall into 3 layers: surface blockage, plunger fixes, pipe buildup, baking soda plus vinegar, deep trap blockage, pipe cleaning. Correct diagnosis saves time and effort. Final conclusion. To fix a clogged sink, start with hot water, use a plunger, try baking soda plus vinegar, clean the trap if needed.